Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Thuong and this is a video about my daily life in Vietnam. I went back to my hometown after a week of visiting my sister's family in Hanoi. I will have about 2 weeks to stay with my family in my hometown before going to Ho Chi Minh City for the interview. Today, I will have my mom cook pho, Vietnamese noodles. Did you know? My family used to run a pho restaurant. It had been open for about 30 years. Then my mom closed it down and now only take party orders. Today, we have two orders for about 230 bowls of pho. There was about 115 people in the morning and the same in the afternoon to different groups. Today is the holiday of elderly. They will have a meeting, entertainment and eat together. This is the second party. It takes place in the afternoon. Let's enjoy this special video together. I think it's hard for you to know what life is like in countryside Vietnam. There are not many channels make videos about countryside life. While they are watching the performance, we will prepare first. This is mixed pho. It will have beef, pork, Vietnamese ham. This type of pho is very popular in my hometown. We will prepare the ingredients of pho and make pho at the party place so everyone can eat hot pho. Do you know, when I was in middle school, I had a nickname called Pho Girl because I always smelled of pho, so my classmates said that. At that time, I was very embarrassed, but now I feel very normal. I'm proud of that smell, that job of my family. It raised us, helped us study and have a full life. The only small regret is that I didn't have much time to play with friends. On holidays, when friends could go out, I had to stay home to help my parents shelter because the restaurant was very crowded on holidays. We are done. Now we just need to add the broth to the fur and it's done. Another day had begun. Here are some pictures of my hometown. Today we had a party at my house. This is my mom's group. Everyone is in the volleyball club. They play volleyball together 3 times a week and sometimes eat together. I think the life of the elderly in my hometown is very happy. Can you believe it? The old meal in this table only cost $30. It includes chicken, beef, pork, shrimp, frog, sticky rice, and soup. I thought it was very cheap. Do you know what the table culture is in Vietnam? People will always say 1, 2, 3, vô. It means 1, 2, 3, cheers. I find it very interesting. We'll create a joyful atmosphere in party. I will bring this culture to America. Hope the Cruz family will like it. My life is in the countryside is very normal, except for the time when I have my mom prepare parties. I mainly do my own work and ride my bike. Did you know Cruz had the one who brought cycling to my hometown? In 2018, we bought 2 bicycles to ride in my hometown. After returning to Japan, we gave those 2 bicycles to my parents. My dad created a cycling group and cycling had become popular in my hometown since then. Nowadays, whenever I ride, I always see many small cycling groups. I'm so happy about that. Thank you for always watching and supporting my channel. See you on the next video. Bye!